I was actually anticipating Anita to be someone, and she was actually speeding up her progress. Anyway, I would say that was the time that I've got great pain.
Okay.
A loving child. He was actually supporting the parents. She was doing everything for us. And that's why I'm saying I've lost the jewel. She was actually she was very close to me, Anita. She used to tell me, Anita, Daddy, I want to be a pilot.
Okay.
And I said, well, if you want to be a pilot, I'm still saving money for you to go to, Prince Charles. She wanted to go there after school. Luckily, after a year, there was an advert, Air Force advert. Then I said, well, this is the chance, you can go now. And she went for the interview, she passed with the distinctions, and the officers there, they were impressed. They took him for the pilot course. And she proved that she wanted, the profession.
Okay.
Yes. By doing progress in that field, within a short period, she was in the VIP, which was great. We expected something from Anita. This is an untimely death. I never expected that.
Mapiye family on the untimely passing on of Flight Lieutenant Anita Mapiye as a result of the fatal Air Force of Zimbabwe aircraft crash. Flight Lieutenant Anita Mapiye will be remembered for her loyalty and dedication to duty in serving our motherland in a male-dominated career. She was the first female helicopter pilot in the Air Force of Zimbabwe. Anita was keen on breaking new ground and had a promising career in the Defense Forces as she was now part of the VIP transport aircrew. May the family draw comfort from the knowledge that the entire Zimbabwe Defense Force commiserates with you as you go through this difficult period. May the Almighty God give you strength to deal with this loss, and may Anita fly high in the blue.
First down, fire! Second down, fire!
Dota kudota, bukuta kubukuta, tiri kutarisira rumukoro womunhu wose pamusoro kuguma apo Kristu achauya nehwamanda vakafa vose navapenyu vachamuka vachienda kumakore kunosangana naye. Rudairo rwedu kuti naAnita tichasangana pakuguma kwe